Let's learn AI without the nerd stuff. This is day 4, and today we are going to talk about AI hallucinations. When AI sounds very confidently, but it kind of makes things up. For example, when it tells you that the light bulb was invented in 1879 by Dr. Alaric Brenton, it sounds like a legitimate fact, doesn't it? But then it's wrong. We all know that light bulb was invented by Edison. AI hallucination is nothing but AI will sound very confident, but then it's actually very wrong. It's not true. Why all of these AI hallucination happen? So basically, AI is trained on so many different topics, so many different examples like images, code bases, conversations, graphs, some kind of a blog post, some kind of a book, and everything is given into the AI during training. And AI simply guesses the pattern. All right. So it gives you a very confident answer out, but it not necessarily be true. This is just a guess. This is just a prediction based on the highest probable answer. Now, you have to always use AI smartly. So you can use AI for helping you, but you always need to double check. You need to check facts, you need to check, ask for sources, and most importantly, use your judgment. Always, you are the one who should stay in charge. AI is again your intern, your helper, but not essentially somebody who can take over what you are best in doing. Well, that's a wrap on AI hallucination. I'll see you tomorrow with yet another video. If you have a complex AI topic in mind, please put it in the comments and I'll cover them in the upcoming videos.
Nice.